Hello, in this video I'm going to show the best AI features on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Okay, let's open up our settings. Now we need to scroll down until we find HUAWEI Assistant. And here we have things such as AI Voice, AI Lens, AI Touch, AI Tips, and AI Search. When it comes to the AI Tips and AI Search, those things work in the background. But I will explain to you how it works later. Let's begin with the AI voice. The assistant is called Celia, so it's like the HUAWEI version of Siri. Let's click on the AI voice. First, we can enable the voice wake up, so we'll be able to launch the Celia by simply saying, "Hey Celia," and she will launch. But the alternate way to launch it is by holding the power button for around 1 second. I'll show you that in a second. You can see that wake with power button is currently enabled. Let's go with the voice wake up first. And we need to record this phrase to use the voice wake up, so let's enable that. And now we'll have to say the sentence 3 times to register our voice. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Alright, it has been successfully registered. In here we have some recommendation and information, what things we can do using our Celia, so we can make a call, play some music, send a text message, and for example, ask how's the weather. Let's click on done. Select the conversation language from that list. I'll stick to English. Then click on next. And you can see this icon down below, which means that my voice is being registered. Now I'll show you how to launch the Celia by simply saying, "Hey Celia." You can see that it launched. Now with the power button, click on enable, and it also started to registering my voice. So everything works properly. And now let me show you a few things that we can do using the Celia. So for example, let's try to remotely set an alarm. Hey Celia, set an alarm at 3 p.m. Alright, it says that it has been successfully added. Let's open up the clock app just to make sure. Alarm, and you can see that everything has been successfully set. It can save some time. Now let's try with the weather. Hey Celia, what's the weather in Berlin right now? Alright, and you can see that we have our answer. Currently my device is muted, so you cannot hear anything, but when your volume is
check the search results.
When your volume is up, you can also hear Celia speaking to you. Let's try the one more thing using this Celia. Let's try to maybe open some page. Hey Celia, open YouTube.
I can't find the app, YouTube. Try finding it on App Gallery.
Let's try a different way. Hey Celia, launch the Wikipedia in browser.
You may check the search results I found online.
Not the Victoria, but the Wikipedia. But it will launch, or she will send you a link, so you just need to tap and the page will open. Okay, let's open up the settings, not the accessibility, but the HUAWEI Assistant. Now let's go with the AI Lens. It allows us to quickly scan the QR codes and the barcodes, and we also have the Translate function, recognize text in multiple languages and get real-time translations. That is a pretty cool thing. Let me show you how it works. When it comes to scanning the barcodes, you just need to open up the camera app, click on that icon, click on allow, click on get started. Okay, currently, as you can see, the code scanner is enabled. It's scanning for the code, but currently I don't have any QR codes that I could scan. You can create a shortcut if you click right in here, so it will appear on your home screen. You also have the translation function. In here, select the language, and in here, select the language that you want to translate into. You can, of course, change it from that list. When it comes to that list, I always highly recommend to selecting the auto detect. Now all you need to do is to place your camera at some text in a foreign language, and it will be translated. In here, for example, I have some cleaning spray, so let's try to translate it, for example, into French. But actually the language is in Polish. I don't know will it work, but let's try. Alright, and as you take a look, everything has been successfully translated. I'll show you that the language is different originally. So it works pretty nice. Okay, we can close that. Next thing. Let's close it up. And I think that we also should have another translation option, but I'm wondering where it should be, because I'm sure that I was using it, that translate function. I'll need to find it. Maybe it's in here. Alright, I'll find it in a second. Let's open up the settings. Again, HUAWEI Assistant, and now the AI Touch. Make sure it's enabled. We have the feature description right in here. And so thanks to that, when we will hold two fingers on our screen, we'll be able to scan the QR codes that are on the page, for example, that we have opened in our browser, and more. Let me show you how it works. Let me open up some page with text, maybe this one, and now click on accept. When I will hold using two fingers, in here, if there would be some QR codes, I would have possibility to simply scan it. So it's pretty useful. I'm wondering where is that translate function that I want to find. Or maybe it's in here. I'm wondering where it is. Not in here, but alright, I have found it. That's my bad. It's on the HUAWEI Assistant. And now go into AI Voice. Scroll down, and in here we have Celia Translate. That's the thing that I wanted to show you. Click on Add to Home Screen. Well, it says that the shortcut already exists. Okay, here it is. This mode is really useful, for example, when we are in a foreign country and we want to speak to a person who doesn't speak English. So in here we have the voice translation. When we will start holding the button, it's going to translate, in my case, into Spanish, but for example, let's select it maybe into something from that list. I don't know, Italian. So now I will tell a sentence in English. Hello, how are you?
Ciao, come stai?
And that's how you can quickly translate the things. And another cool thing down below is face-to-face translation. It works in that way that above we have the language of our foreign speaker, and down below we have our origin language. And when we want to say something in English, hold on this button, and the text, of course, is going to be translated into Italian. the person that we are speaking to will have it in his language, and if he want to reply, he can use this button. He can say his sentence in Italian, and it will be translated into English. So it's really useful feature. Okay, and for now I will close that. Let's go back. We have those AI tips that I was talking about before. Basically, in here you can only enable the smart reminders, so you'll have recommendations and reminders by your phone. He will tell us the info. And we also have the AI search. In here we can enable the suggested apps and the search history. We can quickly add the widget to the home screen, and basically this feature allows us to search for anything in our device. You can read about it currently on the screen. To open the AI search, simply perform that move. In here we have our search bar, and now we can simply look for anything that we want. You can also add the widget, the shortcut, so we'll be able to do it quicker, but both ways are pretty quick actually. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.